you gotta do is just...
How's it going, everybody? My name is Alex Peitz with Peitz Performance Tunes. Today we're here to talk to you a little bit more about our twin turbo kit that we're offering for the Z06 featuring HP Tuners TCM Tuning Unlock. Now we can tune the transmission. This means we can really make an even more all-around solid product for you guys. You can really bring together the engine, trans, and just make them a symbiotic unit. We can adjust the torque limits from the transmission, meaning that we can report higher torque values from the engine, in turn getting more clutch pressure from the transmission. In addition to that, we can go into the transmission, adjust those desired pressures even further, as well as line pressure, shift scheduling for part throttle. Depending on what your combination of modifications are, we can adjust the part throttle shift scheduling and also obviously wide open throttle shift scheduling. On the Z06 specifically, this is really beneficial for us in terms of the torque limits that we were hitting before. I was having to work around them and it worked, don't get me wrong. However, now we can just really report the accurate news to the whole ecosystem that is the ECM, the TCM, and all the other modules. This is just one step further forward in the evolution of the C8 platform. We couldn't be more excited to be able to bring this to you. This also means way more power for less money. The ZR1 clutches and the Z06 clutches are identical. The main differences lied obviously in the engine combination, but in the transmission calibration on the ZR1, obviously you're gonna have higher pressures than that of the Z06. Now we can go into the Z06 TCM and we can adjust those settings to mirror that of a ZR1 or be better or worse or whatever the case may be. This really allows us to take full advantage of the factory clutches that you have in your car. We don't know the exact limitations at this time. However, we're definitely gonna be able to make ZR1 power on stock clutches. We did make 1,015 to the tire with the ZR1 on our dyno. Obviously it's not stock, okay? Stock is about 850 horsepower on our dyno. Our dyno is about 15% lower than your dyno jet. So you can make 1,015 potentially with the stock clutches on the Z06. So that means you can make way more power than what you could have before for less money. On a Bravo package, you're looking at about usually around 50 to 52K out the door. And that means now you can spend 50K and make 1,000 wheel. For you guys that already have Sportsman or super stock clutches in your Z06 or your Stingray, this just means you can make even more yet. So you are even less limited than you were before. So we build the engine on Z06, sky is pretty much the limit as long as you got enough fuel to throw at that bad boy. We have our port injection controller, we have our port injection setup we're working on with the Z06 as well, but these are all things that we can do for you. If you guys are on the fence about maybe getting an alpha package, we can do that as well. So there's like a lot of combinations, a lot of different things we can do. It's very exciting times here at Peitz Performance.